Hi everybody, it's Dana with Deep Thoughts with Dana, and this is the person that goes behind the voice and the personality and the hands that you see doing your tarot card reading. I just want to share a few things with you guys, so I thought I would go face to face, since I don't go face to face on when I'm doing my readings, because I think that my tarot card readings are about the message and not about the deliveries, so I don't ever go on camera. So this is a new thing for me, right? I want to tell y'all that the $50 readings on YouTube are going by the wayside as of August 1st. As of August 1st, there will no longer be $50 readings on YouTube. Everybody across the board will pay the same price. I have 3 different client bases and trying to keep them all organized, and it's just a shit show. So as of August 1st, everybody's going to pay the same price across the board, and it won't be the $50 readings that are on YouTube. However, if you are a current client of mine, if I've ever given you a tarot card reading, or if you become a current client of mine before August 1st, even if you can schedule an appointment in December. As long as it's scheduled by August 1st, you will be a current client and you will be locked into the $50 readings. Everybody that I've ever given a reading to up until August 1st will get $50 readings forever and always. I will not charge you more than the $50 that you're already paying. I will send you a private link after August 1st, where you can go and schedule your $50 readings just like you do right now. The only difference is that it will be just for you, okay? So again, if you've ever thought about getting a tarot card reading with me and you'd like to lock in the $50 price, be sure that you schedule your appointment before August 1st, even by August 1st, okay? Even if you schedule after August, as long as you're scheduled by August 1st, you will be part of the $50 tarot reading club, okay? All right, what else? Aquarius and Capricorn. Y'all, I get a lot of inquiries as to why I don't post readings for Aquarius and Capricorn, and here's why. My daughter, who I am very, very close to, is a Western Aquarius and a Vedic Capricorn. And every general reading that I do, I'd say like 98% of them, turn out to be her reading. It just is. I don't know why. It's just her energy. It's just all around me and it's connected. So I don't think it's right, fair, decent, or proper to put a reading out there for Aquarius and Capricorn that I know beyond a shadow of a doubt belong to my daughter, right? Not going to do that. I don't think it's honest, and that's why I don't post for Capricorn or Aquarius. If you see a video for Capricorn or Aquarius, it's because for whatever reason, I'm not grabbing onto my daughter's energy and it's not her reading, okay? So if you see a video for Aquarius and Capricorn, you can rest assured that that is a true, genuine, general reading for the sign of Aquarius or Capricorn, okay? So it's not, I have no issue with you. I have no beef with Aquarius or Capricorn. Quite the opposite. Love y'all, and I'm actually protecting you by not putting out a reading that I know is not a general reading for you, okay? So much love to all y'all. I can read your energy, on the phone or person to person like that. But as far as the general overall for Aquarius and Capricorn, it ends up being my daughter's reading, and I just can't post it. Okay, what else? Tarot school. I have had a lot of inquiries about teaching tarot classes, and quite frankly, I don't feel qualified to teach tarot to anybody. I really don't. I don't even think tarot can be taught, right? It's like an intrinsic kind of thing. You either feel it or you don't. However, I am going to do a workshop late summer, early fall, where I will share with you what I do, how I do it, the algorithm, the science, the reasoning behind the tarot cards. The psychic thing I can't help you with. That has to be a personal thing and comes from inside, right? But I can teach you the ins and outs and the science behind tarot, and then y'all can take it, run with it, and make it your own, okay? So I will post a video like this the end of September, mid-October-ish, and we will do a tarot workshop. If y'all are interested, you can join, and I'll share with you what I know, right? The radio show is going amazing. I have the opportunity to share tarot with people who would have otherwise never, ever, ever even thought about tarot cards, right? So I get a wide general audience that is for 30 minutes that is interested in the things that I'm talking about. So I find that to be very rewarding and very amazing. I get to teach people that tarot's not evil, it's not magic, it's not witchcraft, it's not any of the stereotypical things that you would think about tarot had you had not known about tarot, right? So that's awesome. My radio show is every Tuesday, 12:30 Mountain Time, 2:30 Eastern Time, USA, of course. I'll put a link in the box below where you guys can tune in if you'd like to. And I think that's pretty much it. Again, I want to say thank you very much to everybody who helped me get this radio show up and going. A lot of you donated money. A lot of you scheduled readings when I put the call out, and I'm like, man, I need to rally money for this, and I'm willing to work for it. Y'all came off the hook and scheduled readings like crazy, and I want to do a personal shout out to Sam. Thank you, Sam. Sam actually paid $1,000 of the $2,000 that I needed to secure this radio show. So thank you, Sam, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to everybody else from the bottom of my heart. Y'all just don't know how meaningful it was for you to rally and support me and to help me get this radio show up and going. What else? I think that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the first of the month videos that came out. I am about to put out, I think I owe y'all Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. I'm going to give Virgo. I'm going to give Aquarius and Capricorn a go. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And that's all I can do about that. So thank you all very, very much. I appreciate you being a part of my YouTube community. I appreciate you supporting me. I appreciate you being patient while my channel grows and morphs into something a little bit more sophisticated. I never in a million years thought that this would lead to this. I really didn't. You know, when I first started this, I put up like a rudimentary kind of website, and it morphed from one thing to another to another to another. So I appreciate your patience. I appreciate your participation. And if y'all ever want like special things, you know, like different subject matter, or you want to know about, I don't know, the major arcana or the algorithm of the tarot or something like that, drop me a comment, send me an email, let me know what you want to know about, because I'll be glad to post that stuff, right? In addition to the regular old tarot card readings that I do. So all that being said, thank you for being a part of my YouTube community, and namaste.